In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Mineral Heights Primary won and decided to send Eber Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Eber Prep and Bible knowledge. In which country did Jacob's son Joseph become a governor?
Egypt.
That's correct. Mineral Heights, who was Jacob's fourth son?
Judas.
Judge? Incorrect, it's Judah. Science, Eber, in which stage of the water cycle does water fall back to Earth from the atmosphere as rain, snow, sleet, or hail?
Precipitation.
That's correct. Mineral Heights, in which stage of the water cycle do plants release water vapor into the atmosphere through their leaves?
Transpiration.
That's correct. International affairs, we have a visual question for Eber Prep. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Peru.
That's right. Mineral Heights, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Bolivia.
That's correct. Eber, English language, spell engineer.
Mine. ENGINEER.
That's correct. Mineral Heights, spell chemical.
Mine. CHEMICAL.
That's correct. Television, another visual question for Eber. Look at the monitor and give the full name of this cartoon character.
Louis Lane.
That's correct. Mineral Heights, look at the monitor and give the full name of this cartoon character.
Green Lantern.
That's right. General knowledge for Eber. What is the capital of Greece?
Athens.
Judd? We'll go ahead and accept it. It's Athens. Mineral Heights. What is the capital of Hungary?
Budapest.
That's correct. Sports for Eber. Which countries did Jamaica defeat in their FIFA World Cup qualifying campaign matches in September 2025?
Curacao.
That's incorrect. It's Bermuda and Trinidad and Tobago. Mineral Heights. By what margin did Jamaica defeat Trinidad and Tobago in their FIFA World Cup qualifying campaign match in September 2025?
4-0.
That's incorrect. It's 2-0. Eber, social studies. What is the name of the main psychiatric hospital located in Jamaica?
Cornwall Regional Hospital.
That's incorrect. It's Bellevue Hospital. Mineral Heights. What is the name of the only hospital for children in Jamaica?
Bustamante Children's Hospital.
That's correct. Music, a visual question for Eber. Look at the monitor and identify this artiste.
Cardi B.
That's correct. Mineral Heights, look at the monitor and identify this artiste.
Nicki Minaj.
That's correct. Mathematics for Eber Prep. What is 2 5/8 written as a decimal to the nearest tenth? The bell came. Mineral Heights, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 2.625.
That's incorrect. It's 2.6. Mineral Heights, what is the decimal 0.112 written as a fraction in its lowest terms?
(112 over 1,000).
That's incorrect. It's 14 over 125. Jamaican affairs for Eber. And that brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Eber Prep on 7 and Mineral Heights Primary also on 7. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Take advantage of libraries, quiet spaces, resources, and helpful staff. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.